Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Ziggy donut cake. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, half a cup of granulated sugar, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Also, have 2 large eggs, half a cup of milk, and 1/4 cup of vegetable oil on hand. Don't forget a pinch of salt for flavor. Now let's create our delicious batter. In a large bowl, whisk together your flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt until they are well combined. In a separate, smaller bowl, gently whisk the eggs, milk, and vegetable oil. Then, pour the wet ingredients into the dry mixture, stirring until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. It's time to bake. First, lightly grease your donut pan to ensure easy removal. Carefully spoon or pipe the batter into each donut cavity, filling them about 2/3 full. Place the pan into a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for approximately 10 to 12 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Finally, let's add that perfect finishing touch. While your donuts cool, prepare a simple glaze by whisking 1 cup of powdered sugar with 2 tablespoons of milk until smooth. Once the donuts are completely cool, dip each one into the glaze, ensuring an even coating. Place them on a wire rack to allow the glaze to set before enjoying your homemade Ziggy donut cake.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.